in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can publish your Wix website. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can publish your Wix websites and show you some features. Okay, now you want to go to wix.com. Now if you publish your website, it will also appear on Google, like it's going to be searchable and people will search for it, and you will be able, guys, to check your website after you publish it. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I mean in a few seconds. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on my site in the top left. You just need to find like select which site you want to publish. Now I'm going to click on here or click on the top in the top left, click on my sites or the name of your site, and then click go to all my sites. Now here you will find the list of your sites. Now I want to publish this site. Okay, click select and edit site. Now you want to click on edit site in the top right. Now you just need to wait a few seconds, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how you can publish this website so that people will you will get customers from Google if they search for your website. Now for a lot of people, when I see some videos on YouTube here, they tell you guys click on publish in the top right. That's true. If you click on publish and you click done and you click again on cancel and then you click on publish again, that means you have published your site, and as you can see, congratulations, your site is published and live online. It's okay. People will be able, guys, to visit your site. They will purchase if you have services or products, physical products. If they click on view site, they will be able to check your site, and then they can make purchases and stuff like that. But what if you want your site to appear on Google? Okay, you want to get found on Google. You want people to find you on Google. It's very easy. Just click on site in the top right. Click again on site in top. Click on Wix. Okay. I'll just go to the dashboard, okay, to the previous, as you can see here, the dashboard, and you want to click on setup. And as you can see here, it says connect domain name, which you have to connect domain name, okay, and you need to connect domain name before you can click on this get found on Google. Click on continue SEO. Now after you click, guys, get found on Google, as you can see, complete all the checklist tasks to help this site get found on Google. Now you need to complete all these things. The first option is already completed. The second one, which add the homepage description for current results, you need to add the description for your website so that people will be able to find your site on Google. This is for people who want their site to be discoverable, people who want their site to be searchable, so that people will search for that and it will appear in the search results. Now I'm not going to go through all of these steps step by step because this is going to take 20 minutes to complete all these tasks. So you need to add, for example, search engines might have different subscription, and like I said, guys, you need to add text here, text about your page. You just need to add, as you can see, you will find here instructions so that you can follow them, and even if you don't understand anything, you just need to click on need more help. And as you can see, the second option, which says add homepage description for search results, just search engines might, as you can see, tell people about this site. Just tell people about what your site is about, the concept of your site. That's it. Then scroll down, and you just need to follow all these things. Okay, the first one, the second one, the third one. Just complete all these tasks, and then you will be able to click on connect this site to Google. But if I click on it right now, I'm not going to be able to connect it because it will say, first complete your checklists with the tasks I showed you guys here, which you have to complete them before you can get found on Google. People will find your site on Google. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.